Just put the holy rice. Bali Pradhan. Morning and evening, just put the holy rice. Called rice. You can see main temple took 103 years to build, to complete. And the entire temple built by soapstone. See, naturally soapstone, very soft, very easy to work. So you can see the more intricate work, delicate work. The soapstone from Tumkur district, near the Bangalore. Bangalore. You know about Hoysala? Hoysala, the famous royal dynasty in Karnataka. They were ruled the Karnataka more than 330 years. And Hoysala has contributed more than 92 temples in Karnataka, in the different places of the Karnataka. Among them, 3 temples are very famous. Belur first one, second one Halebeedu, third one Somnathpura, near the Mysore. See, Halebeedu and Somnathpura temple famous for epic stories. Ramayana, Mahabharata. Our temple famous for dancing figures. Can you see Hapsara, Madanikas? We have totally 42 dancing figures. But totally temple we have more than approximate 10,000 figures. This is like Kala Sagara. Hoysala. This is a emblem of the Hoysala dynasty. There is a boy Hoysala fighting with a lion. He was the first king. He was the founder of the Hoysala dynasty. Then we called Hoysala dynasty, Hoysala Karnataka. Can you see the Garuda, madam? Vehicle of the Vishnu? Yes. Just above that Garuda, Narasimha. And both sides of Narasimha, can you see the small zero of circle here? 10 circle, 10 avatara, Dashavatara.
Oh, there is the avatars inside.
See, first one fish, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Sri Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. Kalki is set to come. Can you see the more intricate work behind the circle? You can pause the fingers also. You can see the 3-dimension work. See, the whole thing made up of just one piece. Looks like a rectangle stone. This is Makara. This is combination of 7 animals organ. The animal body like a pig body, lion's leg, trunk like elephant, crocodile's mouth, monkey's eyes, cow's ear, feather like a peacock feather. See, Makara Torana common in every Hoysala temple. Come closer. This is our temple masterpiece. Lady with the mirror. Darpana Sundari. Darpana means mirror. She is holding the mirror in left hand. She is admiring her beauty through the mirror. Look at the earring, necklace, bangles, waist belt, anklet, filigree work. Everything is in one stone. This is a very popular figure in Karnataka. Can you see right side? There is a tiny girl. She is carrying a small pet monkey on the left waist. And right hand she holding the bunch of the grapes. The girl just to show the grapes to monkey, not offering. Finally that monkey disappointed, sucking its own finger with a sad face. At the same time, your lady also disappointed. Lady with the mirror, monkey and the grapes. Shall we go around the temple? Take care of you, don't go backward. Our temple platform is very small. This is the court scene of the Vishnu Vardhana, Hoysala's king. See who built this temple in 117 AD.
Okay.
His grandson second Veeraballada completed in 1220. According to archaeology report, 103 years in 3 generations. Second one, can you see the lady talking with the parrot?
Yeah.
Shukabhashini. Those times they were used the pigeon and parrot to send the message because no mobile email, communication, messenger. Around the temple, 644 elephants. See, each elephant is different movements. 644. See in the temple, more than 85
voice recording better.
Damaged, stolen by the vandalism. Can you see 620 ladies hairstyle?
Each hairstyle is
Different hairstyle. 620 hairstyle. Can you see Mahabharata story? Bhima throwing the elephants like a ball because he has 1000 elephant power. Bhishmacharya sleeping in the hares, bed of arrows, Sharashayi. And that one, big festival in India, Holi festival. See, there is a boy holding the syringe, Pichkari.
holy.
Can you see the boy holding the syringe? The boy filling the colorful bouquet to syringe. And right side, a tiny girl give the small pot also. Can you see the small veil also, duppat, fabric. This is Kiravani. See, her left side servant have the modern dress. Same like a half pant, like 3/4 Bermuda. And there is a one monkey pulling the sari. She beat the monkey with a tree branch. But monkey is smiling. Can you see the small teeth of the monkey? See on the pedestal, there is an artist name and address signature in word Kannada. Halagana. The last year, can you see the curly hair, African hairstyle? See the beautiful windows with a gap? The gap meant for ventilation purpose. Easily air passing. Please come. Can you see the small thin line of the hair? See this one? Can you see the madam here? And you know speciality of Vaisala, each figure, this one, 3-dimensional, length, breadth and depth.
Oh.
3D effect.
So
This-
3D printed, like, yeah.
This is Vaisala speciality.
Vandalized. One second. The Hoysalas, they came. This is a victory symbol. They built this thing.
Ah, yes.
Before the Cholas.
Sure.
Cholas are Shivas, right?
Sure,
They worship Shiva.
No, Tamil Nadu. The quarrel war between Vaisala and Cholas in Talakadu near the Mysore. We get the victory. For the memory, we built the temple. So original name, the deity name, Sri Vijaya Narayana. Vijaya means victory,
Okay.
but locally called as Chanakesha.
Okay.
That is Kesha Shingari. Can you see, madam? Actually, the lady dressing the hair after the bath.
Yeah.
See, end of the hair, can you see the water bubbles? She's squeezing the hair. Remove the water from the hair.
Ah.
Oh.
She has beautiful garland. Can you see the small beads, madam?
Yeah. Mutyalu, like pearls.
Pearl. And this is a very typical step in Bharatanatyam, Trivanga Nartana.
Yeah.
See, the dancer bending her body into 3 different angles. From neck to her waist to her feet.
Okay.
This is not easy. Very typical step in Bharatanatyam. This is Kapala Bhairavi, Shiva's fight. See, right hand bow, left hand stick, head of the stick, that is a skull.
Okay.
Kali or Chendi. This is Kalinga Mardana. Can you see here, lady drummer?
Yes.
Can you see the drum rope? Looks like a real nylon rope. See the rope, thread, knot, finger ring.
All stone.
Everything is in one stone.
Okay.
That one first male figure. Can you see that one, madam? Looks like a Krishna. Can you see the
Yeah,
float?
Venugopal.
Roman cap, yes, Venugopala. Can you see in the box modern dress also? Gents night coat. See the here?
Yes,
big
yes.
open color coat, waist belts,
Like a
bathroom.
bathroom.
Can you see the mini skirt? But we can see the textile design also.
Yeah.
This is like a sari border.
Ah.
We can pause the fingers also. Sir,
See? It's a 3D printed like stone. Man. Damn.
రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది కదా?
This is just a joke. Can you see, madam? This one. Here.
Oh yeah.
The boy loving with a girl, but she has donkey face. So comparison, the age of 16 to 18. See, one donkey face girl looks like beautifully for the teenage boy. Love is blinded teenage. This is singer. The lady singing a song. See, her lips are open.
Okay, yeah. Teeth.
Dana Manjira. This one, sir. Again Narasimha, because Narasimha, family god of Vaisala dynasty. You know that one of the beautiful dancing step, madam. That one Natya Mohini. Look at the filigree work. Even in paper cutting is also very difficult. You can see the 2 layer in single stone.
Okay.
This is 1 layer, just above that another layer.
Oh, it's like ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి.
Each figure we can see the 2 layer, but we can see the more intricate work. Can you see the mirror light? Can you notice the lizard here?
Oh yes, yes, yes.
See, just in front of the lizard's mouth, jackfruit.
Okay.
And above that jackfruit, there is one small dot. That is a fly, house fly. Lizard, jackfruit, and fly. That is symbol of food chain. Darwin theory.
Huh.
Jivo Jivasya Bhojana. Food chain.
Nice.
Put it on.
Jackfruit is eaten by the fly. Fly was eaten by the.
Can you see, madam, ornaments design here? This is like a here brooches design. Here brooches. And this is like a here hangings. You see?
Right?
This one.
Okay.
And Hanuman and Garuda, they are equal devotees of Vishnu. Vishnu ka Samabhakt. This is Jaya Vijaya, Vishnu doorkeepers. See, suddenly looks like a Vishnu because same weapons here, Shanku, Chakra, Gada, Padma. By changing the weapons, names also change. Keshava, Madhava, Achyuta. But this is Dwarapalaka. Vishnu holding the same weapons. Vishnu always standing slightly.
Okay.
Dwarapalaka bend the waist because they are standing long time. This is
Okay.
relaxed mode.
Okay.
This is actually model temple of this temple. It was first built.
This is the first temple.
It was first built. A prototype. Yes, exactly. She is holding the musical instrument, Rudra Veena. Can you see on the Veena, madam? There is
Yes,
a.
yes,
Can you
yeah.
notice the small thin line? That is actually string that was damaged.
Okay.
Can you see the small gap between the two garland? You can notice the gap here.
Oh.
Very small gap.
Yes.
That is indicate minute work, delicate work. This is a lady with the mirror, but here the lady curling the front hair through the mirror.
Okay.
But this is not Darpan Sundari. Come closer, sir. Come this side. This is a forest queen.
Where,
The
sir?
first one.
Forest?
Forest queen, Vanarani.
Vanarani.
Can you
Okay.
see right hand she holding the mango?
Okay.
See,
Yes. Yes.
there is a
Vani-
gap between the mango and the finger.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Can you notice the gap, sir?
Yes.
See,
Yes. Gap on the black. Yeah.
very minute work. Second male drummer. Can you see the fighting scene? South Indians we called Malla Yuddha Kusti. Now we call WWF wrestling.
Yes.
This is a miniature of the lady with the mirror. Velu temple, first portion is social, Jivatma.
Okay.
This part famous for many known story fashion. From here God and goddess stood because spiritual part. But basically Vishnu temple, this temple started from Shiva Parvati. Alebdu Shiva temple. Alebdu started from Vishnu Lakshmi. Islam is equality. Jain temple, Vishnu, Parvati, Shiva like that. This is all different form of the Vishnu. Lakshmi Janardana, Keshava, Harihara. This is Harihara, combination of Vishnu and Shiva. So Nandi, that is symbol of Shiva. Garuda, symbol of Vishnu. Harihara. Can you see first figure, madam, just upper portion? You can see there is a baby Krishna sleeping on the banyan leaf. He is sucking its toe of the right leg.
Yes. Yes.
See behind him, they show a small thin line of the banyan leaf.
Yeah.
Vatapatra Shai. Look at the pillar, beautiful pillar. Upper portion, we can see the petals design.
Yeah. Lotus.
Lotus petal, Kamala Stamba. This is Shiva, this is Putana. Can you see the small Scorpio on the stomach?
Scorpion.
Scorpio,
Yes,
symbol
yes,
of
yes.
poison. She
Oh.
comes in Mahabharata story to kill the baby Krishna.
Oh.
Here Ravana lifted the Kailasa mountain, Deshakanta Ravana. Can you see Shiva, Parvati, Nandi associated?
Yes.
In Kailas Parvat, we can see the Charlo. The first is snake, Nagaloka, forest, Unaloka, human beings, Manavaloka, then Devaloka. He is suffering from the heavy pressure, heavy weight, madam. You can see neck of the Ravana wrinkles.
Oh.
Can you see the high ball? You can see the expression.
Yeah. Madam, మీరు ఆ మొట్టని కనిపిస్తుంది
Can you see the multi-store building design? First floor, second floor, like balcony wall, grill work, windows. See, this is old, this is replaced. Can you see the workmanship?
This is replace मतलब?
After 1952,
Okay.
department work.
Oh, this is department. Okay.
This is old one. Chala neat.
This is skilled. This is like rough. This is like a rough sketch. This is like a fine print.
This is elephant, like a strength, courage, and speed.
This is common.
కుదరలే వీళ్ళకి.
This is Mahishasura Mardini, Chamundeshwari. This is Dakshayani father, Daksha Brahma, Daksha Raj. This is very rare in South India, madam. Ashtabhuja Vinayaka, 8 hands Ganesha. Very popular and education god. So many students worship here.
Okay.
Exam type, result exam type. Vidya Ganapati. Can you see the Narasimha, Ugra Narasimha? So we can notice the very angry face. Can you see the sharp tongue and bright eyes?
Yes, yes, angry.
This is not a chain. This is a small intestine of the demon.
Oh, Okay.
You open the stomach, you took out the intestine wearing as a garland. You can see number of weapons.
చేసి మెడలో వేసుకున్నారు. Literally.
Here Lord Vishnu came as a wild boar like Varaha avatar. This is Brahma, creator God. Can you see on the crown there is a bell?
Yeah.
See the bell hanging by the chain.
Yes.
It's look like a real metallic chain.
Oh, it's a stone.
That are 14 rings. Stone.
14 rings.
This is Shiva. But Shiva here came as a naked, Nagnakala Bhairava. Can you see the bottom slipper? Shape of high heel
Yeah.
slipper. Nagadevata, Nagaraja and Nagarani. Again this is Shiva. But Shiva holding the number of the weapons. Can you see Lord Shiva dancing on the head of the elephant.
Why elephant?
He was the demon, Gajasura. He took the elephant form. Shiva beat the elephant. Shiva opened the stomach of the elephant.
Okay,
And
okay.
Shiva,
Yeah, inside.
Shiva wear the skin of the elephant. This is the elephant feet. This is the skin of the elephant. Gajasura Mardana. But complete figure in Halebidu. 4 legs, tail, everything. This is replaced by the cement. Can you see sun god coming upon the 7 horses? Surya Bhagwan, Surya Dev.
Yeah.
This is all 12th century Vaisala period. But after Vaisala dynasty, Karnataka ruled by Vijayanagara dynasty, Krishnadevaraya. That is Lakshmi temple, first wife of the Lord Vishnu. Can you see upper portion of Tower Madam? This is influence from North India state, Puri, Jagannath, Konark. This is the wedding hall. Still encouraged to simple marriages. And this is Bhudevi temple, second wife of the Lord Vishnu. See, this 3 temple platform like a square shape.
Okay.
But we Vaisala
One is lotus.
like a lotus or a star shape. This is Veeranarayan, star shaped base. That is all damaged pillar will connect the department of archaeology. Here. Rejected pillar. Here.
Oh, these pillars. Okay.
And northwest, can you see the storeroom here? This one.
Oh, yes.
See, 900 years back, this temple construction according to house plan, Vastu. We have 32 star-shaped corners. Around the temple. Can you see from here? Upper portion also we have same star-shaped corner 32.
32. Small.
Concentric
Yes. Can you see the mirror light? Each corner like a symmetrically, geometrical system.
Straight line.
32, 32.
Oh,
See inside,
Peak symmetry ఉంది.
even small edges also like a alignment. But in Halebidu temple, madam, we have 64 corners. Very big and very different taste. Get on it, tire design. Ajanta hairstyle. The ribbon is very bigger than face. Can you see the earring also?
Yes, yes, yes.
This is water drainage. This is from inside of the temple. After Abhisheka and cleaning water comes to here. See, there is a UGD system, underground drainage.
It will go from here.
900 years back, they thought about UGD system.
అక్కడ నుంచి దగ్గర
It's a meant for worship. People take the feet offering like this. You can see center of the feet, 8 petals. That is symbol of Lakshmi Devi.
Lakshmi.
This is Varaha Avtara. Can you see, madam? Lord Vishnu comes as white bird. This is God and Goddess of love. From here, 4th one. Cupid couples. She is holding the fruit and Manmata holding the sugar cane. That means love sweet. You can see everywhere same figure like together. But this figure in the temple entrance separated, left and right. Because before entering the temple, we should leave the all affairs outside of the temple. Arishad Varga. Second one, he was the hero of the Mahabharata. Can you see Arjuna shooting the eye of the fish?
Yes, yes.
He hit the fish target, then he got Draupadi to marry.
Yes.
But earlier he holding the bow. It was a string also. If you take the string, possible to sound. So bad people tap and damage it. Because before independence, no security. Now security given by ASA, Archaeological Survey of India. From here, again start the social section. Again dancing figures. We have locally three type of Kannada: old, middle, and new. See, this is old Kannada. This is second Kannada. This is in the 17th century. See, Kannada number 1629. But in 17th century, some of the donors donated money and land to temple authority. Whatever give details here, sponsors name, Dan Shasam. This is Kali. See, around the forehead against Kali. Kali or Chandi. See, bottom each elephant is different movements, and each elephant head also different.
Oh, design also different.
Can you see here? The lady returning from the forest after the hunting. So she is carry the bow also. That one, madam. You can see from here. Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
And left side servant, she is carry the dead animal like a rabbit. And right side, one more tiny girl. She is remove the thorn from the feet of the big lady, which was subordinator, like a peer-to-peer system. Dasi to dasi. Can you see the earring? Star shape earring. See the round shape earring, waist belt, anklet, leg chain. Everything is different. Ferguson told foreigners tourist, Belur temple like a small international jewelry box. This is door to heaven. This door face north direction, Swarga Dwara, Vaikuntha Dwara. And Lord Vishnu dancing in the female form to kill the demon Bhasmasura. This is called as Bhasmasura Moini Purna Mohin Nritya. According to archaeology report, if we remove the figure from that place, for example, keeps in vertical position, straight position, and if you put the water drops, small finger of the right hand, that is straightened at the nose, nipple of the left breast to toe of the left leg. All 4 points meets in one line, straight line. This shows skill of the artist, dedication, patience. She is holding a beautiful saree. One second. Can you see, madam? Folded saree.
Yes, yes.
Actually, the lady wear the saree like this. Can you see the left thighs printed design also? Can you see the printed saree?
Yes.
First